Okay, he's out here working early. He's almost got it all off except this, and then
one more cut and I'll push that out of the way and put the fence up.
oh,
And the book there.
he's almost got it, and then we can repair the fence and hope nothing climbs up on top of it and jumps over. We'll have the electric fence going. You're gonna have nothing touching it.
Okay. Lumberjack.
We may need to, from here, pull the fence in some and then back around. Mosquitoes out here.
It's either out of gas or oil. One, I'll have to look.
Okay,
I'll have to go back. I believe it's running out of gas.
let's see this one over here. I got a chore today. He's protecting the property and got sprayed by a
I
skunk.
gotta go put gas and oil.
Okay. I'll wait here, I guess.
Okay.
So I gotta make the solution and rub it all over him. Wait 5 minutes. Rinse it all off and then shampoo him up. Cause he stinks. Boy, does he stink. Whew. I smell him from right here. Bless his heart. But he was protecting everything, keeping predators away. Why does that look like blood on those cuts? That's weird. The other ones don't have it. This does. That's weird. Huh. Anybody watching this knows? Let me know. According to Google, this is a box elder tree. Look at that whole big. Now the whole roots came up out of the ground. The whole thing. That over there looks like background, but it's not. That's all. Let me make this smaller. That's all roots around there. All roots. It squished it. We cut all that, cleared off all the way over there to the chicken area. Now the other day, Lee was out here in the yard. Majestic, or LGD, alerted him that a bear was coming out of these woods right here.
Oh, hell, I gotta cut that lean off.
Coming out over here. So alerted him. Hard-working man right there. Mine, I'll be glad when we get this electric fence back up. Be a whole lot easier on Majestic patrolling.
That should do it.
That should do it.
So
Now,
take-
when it
my
dries,
saw cut that big limb.
yeah,
Damn, it crushed this thing.
yeah.
It was on to do this. Busted it all up here on top. Damn.
Goes all the way around, way down over there, back around on the other side of the coop over there.
This thing here fell over. Where's my crowbar out here? Shit.
I'll pick that up. We'll get it lost again. Okay, get down. Okay, so we got that line back up, but he's still got to weed eat before he can do anything, because I pulled the line way in when he had the lawnmower in there. Now he'll have to pull them back out.